hopper. Large material. Small material. Into a bowl. In the bowl, the heavies and aerodynamic heavies, like cannonball shaped black sand, stays in here. Cornflake shaped gold will come up and out into the sluice box, which I have modified, taken the riffles. These are our riffles. Normally this way. Turn them upside down to hold down your corrugated metal. Also regulates the water flow, and now you have a cleanup sluice, and running very well, I might add. See the material dancing around. Pulling up right behind the eddy, right in the eddy where it should be. So, I think this is my setup. Right now I'm seeing how long the battery will last. I've just got a little car jumper here, and we're using that to power our pumps, which are down in the pond here at my apartment complex. And yeah, this is the setup. And normally I would have this end up higher, but since we're on such a slope, I had to extend the one leg out, so I can't get much more height. This is more about how well is it running, and how well is it functionally, is it doing what it's supposed to do. It'll be running a little bit hotter, and I think I should go ahead. I had this as an exhaust. There's just a hole in the top of here to allow excess water to flow out. I don't think that's necessary. I think if I plug that, I'll have a lot better water flow through the whole system. So, yeah, that is our system. If you look closely, you can sort of see, maybe not, down around here is where all the material's collecting. So the back side of this is pretty, see the materials coming up and through, going into the sluice box. So I think that this is the best way to separate the fine gold from the black sand. The fine gold being shaped like a cornflake, and the black sand being shaped like a cannonball. And not as much flow as I want right here. Not really moving the material. Looks like the material is kind of stuck. But again, I think plugging this and yeah, that's probably, just plugging that might take care of it, honestly. Maybe I'll try that. Right now we've been running for approximately about 25 minutes so far in this battery. We'll see how long it lasts. Snapping blocks. Watching rocks, man.